The air is crisp outside, but the warmth of the sun rays filtering through the leaves feels just right. Winter is on its way, and this kind of weather always makes me crave for a steaming cup of coffee. But today I'm not just craving coffee, I want to bake something that brings together the rich, bold flavor of coffee and the indulgence of a sweet treat. A dessert that perfectly blends the comforting warmth of coffee with the pleasure of sweetness in every bite. Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi, and on this channel I share delicious eggless baking recipes. Let's dive in and create something extraordinary. To make a brownie batter, in a bowl add yogurt, brown sugar and castor sugar, and with a hand whisk mix to dissolve the sugar. Now add vanilla extract, a good pinch of salt, skip if using salted butter and mix. Now add melted butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Add good quality of cocoa powder and mix. In this variation of eggless brownies, I'm sharing with you how to make brownies without dark chocolate and just with cocoa powder. In my other videos, you can see eggless brownie recipe with dark chocolate. You can use that as well. Add milk and mix to dissolve. Add whole wheat flour and fold it in. Here I have coffee concoction. I have brewed it using whole coffee beans. You can use instant coffee powder as well. Simply dissolve instant coffee powder in hot water and use this concoction. Mix sugar in. Transfer half of the brownie batter into a pre-lined tin to form a base. Dip Savioardi Ladyfinger Biscuit in coffee concoction. I am using store-bought one. You can easily make eggless ladyfinger biscuit at home. I have already shared its recipe on my channel. Link is in the description box. Line them over the brownie batter base. If you like strong coffee flavor, pour coffee liquid over Savioardi biscuit. It's completely optional. You can skip this step as well. Cover with the rest of the brownie batter and smooth it out. Now bake these in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 14 to 18 minutes until a skewer inserted in the center comes out with few moist brownie crumb. Cool it completely. In the meanwhile, let us make mascarpone cream frosting to give it a final touch. In a bowl, take room temperature mascarpone cheese, add powder or icing sugar and mix until no lumps are there. Add coffee concoction as well and mix. You can infuse coffee in cream also instead of adding liquid here. Now here I have chilled whipping cream. I'll whip it using an electric beater to a stiff peak stage. Now fold small quantity of this whipped cream into mascarpone cheese mixture for easier mixing later and fold it in. Now mix the two together gently, taking care to not deflate the air incorporated during whipping cream. Our frosting is ready. Let us demold our now cool brownies. Frosted with mascarpone cream frosting. And for the final touch, dust it with cocoa powder to give classic tiramisu look. Our eggless tiramisu brownies are ready. Refrigerate for 2 hours before serving. Let us slice into it. You can clearly see the fudgy brownie with coffee dipped Savioardi biscuit in between, and the frosting on top completes the picture. Do try this recipe at home and connect with me through comment section. It's a good recipe to try in this wonderful weather. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.